Hi everyone, my name is Alisa, and I'm a doctoral student in the Educational Psychology department, and I'm studying gifted and creative education. So, I was born in Belarus, and my native languages are Russian and Belarusian languages, but I also speak Czech. I have received my first bachelor's degree and then also a master's degree in physical education, and I specialized in chess coaching. Also, I have a bachelor's degree in psychology. I used to be a professional chess player, and therefore my research interests are in creative thinking and creative problem solving. For my writing project, I will write a case study about a gifted homeless refugee who won a New York Chess Championship after learning to play just for 1 year. So I think it will be an interesting case to explore, and I have already done some analysis of this case. Thank you for attention.